Maintaining a clean roof is crucial for preserving your home's structural integrity and aesthetic appeal. Let's dive into the best techniques for pressure washing your roof safely. First off, always opt for soft washing over high pressure. High pressure washing can damage roofing materials, especially asphalt shingles. Soft washing uses low pressure water combined with the right cleaning solutions, allowing you to clean the roof gently without causing harm. Next, use appropriate cleaning solutions. A biodegradable detergent or a mixture of water and sodium hypochlorite, also known as bleach, is highly effective. Let the solution sit for a while to break down mold, mildew and algae before you rinse it off. Safety is paramount when you're working on your roof. Ensure you have secure footing, use appropriate safety gear, and avoid working on wet or slippery surfaces. It's always a good idea to have someone assist you during the process. When it's time to rinse, use low-pressure water. This step removes all residues without damaging your roofing materials. A thorough rinse ensures a clean surface and prevents potential damage. Finally, regular maintenance is key. Regular inspections and cleanings can prevent the buildup of harmful organisms and debris, extending the lifespan of your roof. Establish a maintenance schedule based on your local climate and environmental conditions. By following these techniques, you can safely and effectively pressure wash your roof, maintaining its durability and appearance. End